Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says 9 different balls are to be arranged in 4 different boxes. So, you have 4 boxes B1, B2, B3, B4. So, you have 4 different boxes and you have 9 balls. Balls are also different. If the probability that B3, so the bag B3 has exactly 3 balls, so they have already given you the probability that B3 bag is currently carrying exactly 3 balls is this, then find value of K. So suppose that you have 9 balls. So out of 9 balls, first you will select those 9 balls, 3 balls from 9 balls, and you will place it in bag number 3. So in how many ways we can do it? 9C3 into 1. Now, so remaining balls, there are 6 balls. So first ball is having how many choices? 3 choices. They can put into the bag B1, bag B2, bag B3. Okay, so like look at this. First I will put 3 balls into bag 3. So 9C3, I have selected those 3 balls because balls are different. Okay, now I have how many choices for these 3 balls? 1, because I have to put it in bag number 3. Now we have first ball. So first ball will have how many choices? It can be put into bag B1, B2, B3, B4. So 3 choices. Second ball, 3 choices. Fourth ball, 3 choices. Fifth, 3 choices. Sixth, 3 choices. Okay, so this is the idea. Now, so this is the favorable, means favorable case. Now we have to go through total number of cases. So ball number 1 will have how many choices? 4 choices. It can go into random box 1, box 2, box 3, box 4. Okay, so same to this thing will keep on going. How many times? 9 times. Okay, so can I write this as this? 3 to the power 6, 4 to the power 9. Okay, according to us, answer is this. So can I write 9C3 as 9, 8, 7 into 6 factorial upon 6 factorial into 3 factorial, 3, 2, 1, and then 3 power 6, 4 power 9. So this is probability according to us, but according to them probability is 3 ka power 9, 4 ka power 9. Okay, now do the simplification. Can I eliminate this and this? Yes, we can. We did it. This thing gone? Yes. This thing and this thing, we are left with 3 to the power 5. And 3 3s are 9. So 3 ka power 7. 7 gone. So you are left with 9. This thing, this thing. Okay, so can I say that the value of K will be 28 by 9. Okay, so the required value of K is 28 by 9. I hope the idea is clear. You guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.